Hey there, let's talk about the importance of the sutra in prayer and the ruling on passing in front of someone who is praying. It is recommended to pray facing a sutra, and the height of the sutra is equal to the back of a saddle, as mentioned by the Messenger of Allah. According to Sahih Muslim, passing in front of someone praying is permissible if there is something like the back of a saddle in front of the praying person. The Messenger of Allah mentioned that if anything equal to the back of a saddle is in front of the worshipper, then no harm would come to the person passing in front. So remember the significance of the sutra in prayer and the ruling on passing in front of someone who is praying. As we conclude our exploration of the sutra in prayer, we've uncovered the significance of this screen, the etiquette of passing in front of a praying individual, and the wisdom behind lying down or facing one's mount during prayer. Stay tuned for more insightful Hadith discussions. Like, share, and subscribe to Flah Hadith Explained for a continuous journey of Islamic wisdom. Jazakallah khair.